How to find someone on Instagram without knowing their username. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find someone on Instagram without knowing their username. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your Insta. Make sure that you're logged in. And now what you can actually do is you can head over to the search bar. So the first is you can actually search people by just knowing whatever you know about them. So such as you can search for people, I'll just search for this, and if I hit enter, you'll see that I'll not only get accounts, but I'll also be getting reels and audios and tags related to that very search. So you can search for people by their hashtags, you can search people by their places, you can search people by reels, audios, and a lot of different options. So that's the first way. All you need to know is a small detail about that person and you can simply search for it. Now the second option is you can head over to your profile on the bottom right, then head over to your following, tap on following, and after you're on your following, scroll down until you find discover people option. Tap on find people to follow and it should give you a list of people. So here Instagram suggests you people that you might know, and you can follow people from here as well. And that's basically how you find someone on Instagram without knowing their username. Thanks for what's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.